Everybody wants to be a cat, because a cat's the only cat who knows where it's at. Everybody's picking up on that feline beat, cause everything else is obsolete. A square with a horn makes you wish you weren't born every time he plays. With a square in the act, you can set music back to the caveman days. I've heard some corny birds who try to sing. Still a cat's the only cat who knows how to swing, who wants to dig a long-haired gig or stuff like that, when everybody wants to be a cat. Yeah!
Accurate princess dances. Today we're taking a journey with cats, Aristocats, for the frisky everybody wants to be a cat Aristocats line dance. So come on with us. We are here at the historic Depot Art Center in downtown Littleton. Remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all our fun videos at www.adventuresindance.com. Step 1 on our Aristocats line dance will be sways with a chaîné and a sway. It will look like this. Sway 1, sway 2, spin, spin, sway 1, sway 2. Second step, grapevine with a side together. 6 counts total. Side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step 3, we're going to have step points forward, jazz box, and step points back with a back rock turn. It looks like this. Right, point left, left, point right, cross, back, side together. Right, point left, left, point right, back, forward, slide, close. Repeat from the beginning until the song ends. When you put it all together, it looks like this.
Everybody wants to be a cat, because a cat's the only cat who knows where it's at. While playing jazz, you always have a welcome mat, cause everybody digs a swinging cat. A square with a horn makes you wish you weren't born every time he plays. With a square in the act, you can set this music back to the caveman days. I've heard some corny birds who try to sing. Still a cat's the only cat who knows how to swing, who wants to dig a long-haired gig or stuff like that, when everybody wants to be a cat. Yeah! Groovy cat! Everybody wants to be a cat. Timmy cat on the track. Everybody wants to be a cat. Everybody wants to be a cat. That's the hot one. Everybody wants to be a cat.
Remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all of our fun videos at www.adventuresindance.com. Cool cats like to dance. The Aristocats are no exception. These jazz cats cut a rug with the song Everybody Wants to Be a Cat. I put together a jazzy foxtrot line dance for the Aristocats. Duchess and her kittens have a wild adventure in 1910 trying to find their way home. Cool cat Thomas O'Malley steps in to show this opera cat family the jazzy side of the tracks. They cut a rug singing Everybody Wants to Be a Cat. The Aristocats were the last film approved by Walt Disney before he passed away. They were released in December of 1966. Their iconic song, Everybody Wants to Be a Cat, was so popular that it was also released as a single. It featured famous jazz singer Scatman Crothers, who voiced the Scat Cat in the movie. Jazz musicians were commonly referred to as cats. Hipster jazz musicians referred to as cats in the 1930s and 40s because they are like cats. Similarities including being nocturnal, always landing on their feet, and being independent-minded made them very cat-like. Common phrases from the early 1900s for jazz cats are that they are the cat's meow, the cat's pajamas, swingin', hip cats, and cool cats. Foxtrot was a popular Edwardian dance. The swing in Aristocats was not popular until the 1920s. Historically, Foxtrot is a better fit for these cool cats. It originated with Harry's Friskies in San Francisco. We filmed at the Littleton Art Depot. This was the Littleton train station built in 1888 for the Santa Fe Railroad. It operated as a train station until 1967. By 1979, it was designated a historic landmark and adapted as a Depot Art Center. This was a joint effort with the City of Littleton and the Littleton Fine Arts Guild. The Depot Art Center's purpose is to promote and advance fine art in the area, operate for the privilege of exhibiting members' work, sponsor shows by outside artists, and conduct workshops and art classes open to the public. Go check them out today. Remember to like and subscribe to our line, and check out all our fun videos at www.adventuresindance.com.